comes off easy, but it's thick. It had to come off. It's got to come off. Then I'll lightly sand it. That makes a world of difference, man. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm starting to sand. That's before, I guess. Yeah, that'll be the before. I'll give you an after. Here's my boat off the trailer. Okay, you can easily get a paint roller through it. Pretty sure I may have to let the front one down to go on the front of the one up there, but it'll go down. And it's held up by this. Back end is held up right here. Plywood on the bottom is just set there. Big old hunk of 3/4 I had. Actually goes in my camper when I put my camper shell on as a bed. Cool. Okay. This here is what I'm getting. This is on my boat. I'm going to go right up to the edge here. That's where I'm sanding. I'll put tape on it and get to that here later. Got a little spot here, a little back over there. Here's what it's looking like. There's a big old brown thing. That's a kind of a before, and here's the afters. That's pretty good. Here's my tape line, I guess. Goes in under there. Doop-de-doop. Comes out over here. Got these things taped off. Comes to this side over here. Shoots on down the boat line. Okay. Here we are. Finished my paint. I'll be real still. I got me another camera coming to take out a lot of this jerkiness. Not bad. Turned out okay. Okay. I'm a new sailor. I don't know. I just put a thing on there that'll help relieve my anxiety, I guess. But that's all right till I get used to it. I'm new at the 26X. I love the boat. That's all the way that way. Okay. Here I am on the front. I've already waxed it from here up because I got the paint on. I didn't wax that. That's all right. Got a little on it. That's the way it is.